We all use AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, etc. We ask a question, it gives a response. Can you give the cheapest flight to Delhi? It gives, and it stops. It doesn't book the flight for us. Can you give the nearest restaurant to me? Yes, it gives a list of restaurants, but stops there. It doesn't reserve a seat for us. AI just gives because it knows, and it stops. It doesn't do, but because it cannot. And that is the gap we are trying to fill using AI agents these days. Are these AI agents similar to AI chatbots, or are they completely different? And that is what we try to discuss in today's episode of Truly AI. At the end of the session, we will be able to know that while AI chatbots gives the response, AI agents will be able to do the work for us. We will be able to how AI agents could be able to do that gap which AI chatbots could not be able to do. What is the ecosystem in which AI agents could be able to work? What are the tools, memory it uses? And at the end, what is the importance of being human in the whole AI agent ecosystem? I am Dr. C.B. Abraham. We have a broken chair. The handle is broken, and we want to fix this handle. Suppose we ask this to AI how to fix the broken handle of this chair. AI will give the detailed instruction like take the handle, get the screws and tighten it and fix it, etc. etc. The instruction seems to be very good. We could be able to follow that. But having the knowledge is one thing, getting the instruction is one thing, and actually getting it done is different. There is an action gap where the AI chatbot stops. It just gives the instruction, just gives the knowledge, no action. And this is the action gap AI agents trying to do. Not only giving the instruction, but also it tries to see to it that that problem is getting solved. And that action gap is trying to be filled by AI agents. How AI agents could be able to fill that action gap? Something like fixing the broken handle of the chair. Let us see how AI agents do that. Therefore, AI agents has to do some goal, and based on this goal, AI agents comes with a set of plans. The first step is creating a plan. Based on the plan, obviously AI agents may be requiring a number of tools, techniques, etc. And it focuses on the different tools, accessing a database, accessing an API, and trying to catch hold of some other AI tools, etc. These type of tools are utilized. Many times AI agents has to keep track of whatever the steps it has done, so that even if some of the plans are not working, it should not repeat the same, so that it keeps a memory of whatever the things done. And once it is finalized, it starts the action part. Therefore, based on the goal, first creates a plan. It uses many tools in order to execute that plan. Keep a memory of what it has encountered and what it has seen, what worked and what has not worked. And based on that, performs the action. Plan to tools to memory to action, and correspondingly the goal could be able to be reached. That way AI agents could be able to fill the action gap. Suppose I get an important instruction from my boss, be for a meeting in Delhi next Monday at 11 a.m. Initially it seems like a one task, but there are different steps involved over there. From Mumbai, I have to reach Delhi. I have to make arrangement for staying over there. I have to look for the people whom I have to meet and their availability. and after finalizing everything, I have to inform my boss that everything is confirmed. Therefore, these are the 4 major steps involved over there: flight booking, hotel reservation, meeting schedule, and confirmation of email. Then these are the plans, one after the other. We have to do that. First is flight booking, then hotel booking, arranging the scheduling, and finally the confirmation mail. These are the plan of action to be done by AI. Then for that, AI agents could be able to make use of different tools. It could be able to use different APIs in order to book the flight as well as hotel reservation, and AI agents could help the facility of contacting the people by mail or by phone and correspondingly look at the availability. And finally, AI agents could be able to draft a mail confirming once this is done. Obviously, a number of flights must have tried, some timing may not be matching. The hotel reservation must have tried, maybe it is not, comes within the price sensitiveness of myself, and all these could be able to be incorporated in the memory. Once the proper things is confirmed, we could be able to make the action. Once the first one, flight booking is done, second, hotel reservation is done, third, the meeting scheduling is done, and finally, confirmation of the email is sent to the boss, and correspondingly, AI agent could be able to perform all the tasks. AI agent's action plan in order to realize the goal seems to be absolutely perfect. But suppose at the last minute I got a call from my boss saying that the meeting has been changed. Instead of 11 a.m., it is 4:30 p.m. So we need to have some slightly change the plan required. Remember, the goal has not changed, some plan has to be reworked. Therefore, AI agents has to work accordingly. Maybe the return flight timing has to be changed. Therefore, AI agent has to rework on that. Maybe hotel reservation has to be replanned. The meeting schedule is to be again finalized, and confirmation is to be done. Therefore, goal remains the same, but action plans needs to be changed. AI agents are flexible enough to adapt to this changing. If one plan doesn't work, it could be able to adopt alternate plans. And since you have the access to the previous memory, it could be able to identify what works and what doesn't work, and correspondingly, it could be able to come with a new revised plan. AI agents are flexible enough to adapt to the changing situation. AI's capacity to act comes with enormous risk. If it is an AI chatbot, making a mistake is much lesser importance, because as long as it is not acted upon by human being, it will not make much of an impact. But since AI can act, it will be having impact on the real world. Assume AI agent books a wrong flight. Assume AI agent diagnoses a wrong disease. And assume AI agent prescribes a wrong medicine, or much more complex things. It will be having an enormous risk in the real world. Therefore, we cannot give full power to AI. Whenever AI is in confusion, whenever AI is in doubt, or whenever the action of AI will be impacting hugely, the final decision has to be by human being. AI has to report back to human being what to do. And that will be a big, huge change. That will help the capacity of AI to act and the capacity of human being to take the responsibility and judge accordingly. That will make the life much more smoother, much more peaceful, and much more risk-free. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, truly AI.